You watching this right now because you want to get your voice deep. Well, I'm going to be giving all you boys and men the tips that you guys need to get your voice as thick and deep as possible. What's up, fools? It's Sniper. Now, before we get into this tutorial, let me know, is y'all messing with the bonnet? Because I've been growing out my hair for a little minute now. It's been a month since I've been growing out my hair. And as you guys know, you got to keep your bonnet on or anything on your head to protect your hair at all costs. But that's for another video, okay? That's for another video. We're going to get into these tips. This is straight up off the dome, so we're going to get straight into it. Let's get it. So the first tip for all you men and boys out there who want to get their voice deep is to eat pistachios. Now, for those of you who don't know what pistachios are, they're basically nuts. Now, for the little niggas watching this video, y'all know what type of nuts I'm talking about, so don't be in my comment section talking about I'm gay and shit. Let's get that out the way. But anyways, pistachios are basically nuts as to where you eat them. They thicken your voice, they improve your singing. So if you want to sing better, pistachio, it's going to do it all. So if you want to know how to sing, eat pistachios. So they thicken your voice, they improve your singing, and they also deepen your voice as well. So eat as much as pistachios as you can. Eat a lot of pistachios. Don't eat too many, but eat as much as you can, okay? So if you want your voice to be deeper, eat pistachios. It's going to do it all. The second tip to getting your voice deep is work out. Now ask yourself this question. Have you ever seen a bodybuilder at the gym or in general with a high-pitched voice? Ask yourself that. And if the answer is no, then go hit the gym, all right? Go get you a gym membership and start hitting the gym. Start doing your push-ups, start hitting your sit-ups, start going to the gym. Because when you work out, you're taking your breath away. As you work out, you have no chance to breathe. Now, when you finally take that deep breath, your voice sounds deeper. You feel me? So start working out. Start hitting the gym. Start hitting, at least start hitting push-ups. You feel me? My nigga, if you don't go to the gym or if you don't have a gym, at least wake up and hit like 25 push-ups. You feel me? It's also going to increase your muscles. You feel me? But that's obvious, though, who don't know that. So if you want to deepen your voice, hit the gym, okay, or work out. The third tip to getting a deeper voice is to get good rest. As cliche as that might sound for all the boys and men who are watching this video, get good rest. Get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep if you want to get your voice deepened. You notice how you wake up in the morning and your voice is deeper than what it usually is? That's because you got good rest. Okay, so if you want to get your voice deepened, get 8 hours of sleep every single night. Okay. Fourth tip to getting your voice deep is take deep breaths. What's up with y'all? It's Sniper. You see what I'm saying? So take deep breaths. Take deep breaths. If you want to get your voice deep as possible, start taking deep breaths, especially when you talk to the ladies. If you see a little shorty over there in the corner, you trying to go talk to her, and then just walk up to her and see how you gonna sound. Your voice gonna sound deep as hell, alright? So if you want to get your voice deepened when you talking to the ladies, then I would suggest y'all to take deep breaths. And a little side note, females do not want guys with high-pitched voices. And that's just what it is. That's how reality is. That's how society is. That's just what it is. Females want grown men. So carry yourself as grown men. Walk and talk like a grown man. Do it all as a grown man. You just gotta think. You gotta think like a grown man. Be a grown man. Okay? But the main thing you want to focus on when you're talking to a female is talking like a grown man. Okay? So if you take a deep breath in and exhale, then it's gonna deepen your voice, and when you talk to her, you're gonna be straight. You feel me? So, and what it also does, what taking deep breaths also do is they make you less nervous. So if you see a girl, you nervous and you trying to talk to her, but you don't know the right time to do it. And then just walk up to her. Don't even think about it. Don't take a deep breath in and take a deep breath out and then think about it. No, as soon as you take a deep breath in and out, walk up to her. That's the perfect time to do it. So take deep breaths every time. They also reduce anxiety and things of that nature, but y'all know these things already. But what you didn't know is that they deepen your voice. All right. I hope y'all enjoyed those tips. I know y'all probably like, man, there were not that many tips. I know those were not that many tips that I gave y'all, but I'm gonna say something at the end of this video. Okay? I'm gonna just let you guys know. If you're 11 years old watching this video, if you're 11 years, no, forget that. If you're 13 years old or under watching this video, I just want to let you guys know. Be patient, okay? If you're trying to get your voice deep, be patient. It's not going to come like that, okay? See, me, I got my voice deep at what was it, 11 or 12? I hit early puberty, okay? My puberty just shot up like that, all right? But for those of you who don't have a deep voice and that are like 13 and under, be patient, okay? You got a lot of time. You still going through puberty. So be patient if you want to get your voice deep. Your voice gonna get deep at certain time, but just not right now because you're only 13 and under. So if you're 11 years old watching my video, I just want to let you know that your voice is gonna get deep. You got a lot of time for puberty to start. The average age, believe it or not, for puberty to start is 13 or 14 years old. So for you to be 11 or 12 watching my video, don't say it didn't work. It's gonna work, but it's just not gonna work right now because you're only 11. It's not meant for your voice to be deep at such a young age. So I hope y'all enjoyed this whole how to get your voice deep tutorial, and make sure you like, comment, subscribe. It's Sniper, and I'm out, fools. Let's get it.